All right, what's going on today? What we got today? We're gonna do a fix on my 2015 Prius C's plastic fog light driving lamp bumper cover. So this goes at the bottom of the bumper on the right side on the 2015 Prius C. One without the fog light. It's just a cover right under the turn signal. So just a quick backstory. For some reason, when I hit bumps or it just vibrates too much, my turn signal bulb will fall out of the socket. And I know it because it'll do the quick flash. I have a video on it earlier in my videos. So I have to take this piece out to get to the right side turn signal, because I have to remove the whole turn signal to get the bulb out, because I have to shake it out of the housing itself. And for some reason, I guess I was too rough or it came off too many times, but where is it at? Put the focus on it. So this piece right here cracked, and it's also cracked down here. So I was just gonna glue it up, but decided to turn the camera on because I'm gonna try the baking soda. This is baking soda. The super glue with baking soda trick. I saw it off a YouTuber channel, Stephen Cox. Give him some credit for that. One of his popular videos. So I'm gonna try it. He says it makes the bond stronger, so we're gonna try it out. Today we're gonna be using the super glue gel by Gorilla. Make sure you shake well, and when it says shake well at the top, and make sure you shake it well, otherwise it's gonna be runny. I've learned many times that it's not gel because of lack of following directions. So what we're gonna do is put a little dab of this gel on our broken piece. Let me try not to get in the way here. I still see what I'm doing. So I think that's good. Let me adjust that a little bit. Now my camera's shaking. All right, so I'm gonna put a dab there, and I'm gonna have to stop because the battery's gonna die. All right, let me get this glue on real quick. Hopefully the battery holds until I'm done. We're gonna get a pinch of baking soda. And press her down. All right, we're gonna hold it down. We'll put a little bit more. Where'd you go? There you go. I'm gonna hold it down, put some pressure, let it set. And my battery's flashing, so it's gonna die in a minute. So I'm gonna cut it here, and I'll bring it back after I put a new battery in. So it looks like the part, let me put the focus on. Looks like the part is set. Now what I did when I turned the camera, because I was trying to hold it down and put the baking soda and making sure the battery wasn't dead. So I changed it out, it's a fresh battery now. So I just went ahead and grabbed the plastic putty knife and the blade and just scooped it and put it all over the wet super glue just so it hardens. Apparently it makes it harder, hardens faster, hardens better. Sorry for the lighting, I'm looking over two lights. How about there? All right, so I see a little piece of super glue there. Looks a little wet, so I'm gonna grab a scoop of my baking soda, toss a little bit on top there, like that. Shake the rest off in a napkin. I'm gonna have to vacuum this up, probably with my Milwaukee M18 compact vac. All right, that looks good. Now we're gonna just put a dab right here, because I saw a hairline crack there when everything was moving around. Put a dab of glue there. grab our putty knife so we don't make too much of a mess. Grab some baking soda and sprinkle it on top. Shake the rest off into the napkin. All right. The good thing about putting the baking soda is, seems like it does, where am I at? Seems like it does help the super glue dry faster. So there you go. We'll see how that works. I'm gonna switch out the bulb tomorrow when it's bright outside, and hopefully this piece holds. All right. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.